Hi guys, I'm going to be showing you my bike. I've got blue Hyper rims, Hyper tires, blue Hyper sprocket. You can't really see it, so right there. I got another Hyper rim, and I'm not sure what the air caps are. My stem is blue. I got Vans grips. Says Vans, right there. Don't think you can see it well, but I got Hyper brakes, which are really bad, so I recommend not getting them. But the grips, I recommend getting them. I've had them for about maybe a month now, and they're still in good shape. They're really grippy. I've got Hyper pegs. I've got a seat that I'm not really sure what it is, but I just got it because my other seat was crap. So, yeah, that's my bike check. Bye.